Students of 10th standard, I have given you notes of lesson number 1.6 and I hope so you might have written it in your notebook. But I did not explain the lesson. Today I will explain you the lesson. Okay? That is lesson number 1.6, Alchemy of Nature. Now what do you mean by alchemy? Alchemy means the transmutation of matter. Transmutation of matter or seeing magical processes okay, or in short I can say alchemy means the base materials, the base metals can be converted into gold. Okay, now small example I will give you, like the mud. Okay, the mud, it is, sometimes we say it is useless, na? But mud is converted into gold or money. How it is converted into gold or money, I'll tell you. The mud is used for growing or for cultivating crops, and these crops we cultivate, and when it is ripened we cut it and then we clean it and take it or sell it in the market. When we sell the grains or the crops in the market, we get wholesome money. With the money, we can buy gold. Yes or no? Or the grains are filling our stomach. So, grains, food grains, they become our daily needs. Okay? So, the mud is turned into gold. Understood? Now, the potter also. Potter makes pot by using the mud. Now, with the help of mud, he prepares the pot and he sells in the market and he earns money. And when he collects some money or he saves some money, he can buy some gold for himself. Yes, so out of mud he is making gold. So in this lesson, the author says that very small things are so beautiful in this nature and they can fulfill all our needs. So we have to have time with us to admire the nature and we have to take care of the nature. Okay. Now see the first paragraph of your textbook. I say something to you which is written by William Blake. To see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wild flower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. Now see, I will explain this for you in very short. Okay. Now students, the lesson Alchemy of Nature, written by, that is, Raksha Bharadia. Raksha Bharadia. Here the author says that the whole world can be seen or bought in a grain of sand and the heaven in a wild flower. That means the whole world can be bought or seen in the grain of sand, and with flowers or in a flower we can see the beauty of the nature, or in that flower we can bring heaven in our life. A small tiny grain of sand which can give huge lights of spark or idea of imagination which will remain in this world for its significance. Like small deeds make great impact. The wildflower or any kind of flower, when we look at it, gives us pleasure, happiness, joy, and it also gives you beauty of joy. This happens only if you find time to admire the nature. Always try to see the beauty of the nature. The world is vast. There is endless space, but you can hold it in your palm through your hard work and endless effort. But the only one the only 1 hour working continuously make a difference, or you can achieve the goal. You remain in this world forever. People will remember you forever. Good deeds done with proper utilization of time. You can sacrifice your time, or your sacrifice given to this earth will remain forever. Okay, this is a small thought of that author. Now I read the purple box. Just see. Sometimes as tiny as a grain of sand can spark off an idea or imagination of a huge significance to the world. One can witness and experience the beauty of heaven in something as small or wild flower and derived joy forever. Only one should have the eyes and time to see it. Infinity is endless space, but your small palm can hold the destiny of the world through your effort. Eternity is endless. Time must just an hour in your life can make a difference to the world forever. Great deeds can surpass the limit of time and space. They never die. That means if you have good thoughts in your mind and endless effort and you go along with time, do good things for people, then your name will remain on this earth forever. Okay?